Here I am going to do the version update of the my oldest React Native app. In this app, I previously that that time React Native version is 0.71.7. That is the oldest React Native version. Current version is 0.85.1, I think. Yeah. Now I try to do this manually. But sorry, first I try to do this use the AI, but it is not successful because of I do this manually. I am going to do this manually. I am going to React Native update help and my previous version, and I need to compare the current version. What is the differences? Uh, I added the npm I npm install. Then I found the two critical bugs. First, before update the latest version, I will fix these two critical bugs. Firstly, we will I am going to do this use go GitHub Copilot. Uh, I'm going to add uh, the my issue. I mean, there are two critical vulnerabilities in the project. Please fix this. Likewise, it give the solution. It going to identify what is the reason to create the these two critical vulnerabilities, which library that 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 will be happen. I think most good way to fix the vulnerabilities is npm audit fix. Then it is a uh, recommended way to fix these vulnerabilities. I am try this way. I run npm audit fix. Then it is automatically fix the all vulnerabilities, and now okay. But my problem is there are no package.json update. I don't know why it happen. Normally, it should be normally. I think the vulnerability will happen the oldest library version. Likewise, I need to update the package.json, but here not updated. We will separately check it. Now I'm going to update the React Native version update. First I'm going to package.json file. There are several libraries updated to come into the latest version. Uh, I'm copy likewise, and I will paste the relevant places. Likewise, I paste here. Okay, there are just also updated. Uh, I will replace the just versions like this. Here you can see the small warning. There are React Native 7. What is the warning? Uh, I read the first class about modern yarn version. Where is the project? Actually, I also don't know what is the um, what is. I think not effective of our updated update. It says the yarn version is default yarn version package library version wise. It is not big effect to the update. Now my package.json is okay. Now I'm going to eslint.js file, and I copy and paste like this. Then git ignore file. Uh, there are a few changes in the git gitignore file also. I will copy and paste the changes here. iOS related related changes here. Like this, I will copy and paste. Then what is the next one is .kotlin. .kotlin need to be added here. Then not that 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 changes is not uh, showing the GitHub git changes when we added the like when we added git ignore file, we will add these things to last in the file like this. This place is good. Then dot not version dot not version need to be delete that file. Then dot pretty.rc.js file like this. We will search this that that actually remove. There are back some line. There are two lines are removed. We will remove it. Then fine. App.txt file, I think no need to be update because of my app.js is that uh, React Native update help us show the default app.txt file, but my app.js is already updated to then default app.js file, so no need to update here. If found a if create the issue when run the app, we will update the app.js separately. Then gem file, this is used for the iOS development part. Do you know what happened to the gem file to do? If someone know it, put the comment. Most like to know it. Then readme.md file. Actually, I am not add that file also. Uh, then underscore test file. Uh, that actually file name also be changed, and there are app. Uh, Current one is app dash dot text dot tss, but need to be update that name app dot text dot txx. Uh, like this. There are a lot of changes in the that one. Then android.app.build Gradle file also modified. Uh, that need to be updated, and android ma and android manifest.tss manifest.xml file need to be updated. Then React Native Flipper and Flipper files need to be removed. I already removed that two files. Uh, then main.activity dot in my current version has main.activity j js file, but it need to be update the kt. I mean that means Kotlin files. Here my fault. That is I am previously used the dash, but here need to be updated the dot. That I change it. Then Android manifest is deleted, and yeah, manifest.java file, main activity Java file that React Native 7.1.7 version is used, but when the new architecture, it's changed to the KT Kotlin file. I copy the changes and paste the main .kt. One by one we will copy, because of some in my previous project that I use, that is React Native push notification. Likewise, some libraries, because of some main kt also automatically some import some that libraries, because of all changes, when we copy all the changes and paste here, that required library related imports will be removed. That is because of that, one by one we I will add the changes here, like this. That is also wrong. My app name is water drinking app. Here I am added, that is a documentation as rn diff app. That need to be changed. When you do this, consider about that. Actually, Kotlin is very simple than Java. Native mobile app developers are also Node use the Kotlin. Uh, that is a object-oriented language. It is most easy than Java. Syntax is easy. When I develop the that native mobile application, I am also use the Kotlin. Like this, I've updated these two files. If generate issues, if run the app, some issue can be happen, then we will fix that issue that time. uh, Next one is rn edit text.material.xml. uh, that is one line will is updated here. We will add that one. React Native flipper.java is need to be removed. Like this, copy and paste that name, React Native paper flipper. Why use the flipper? Do you know it? As my knowledge, that is used for the debug React Native project. In currently, it is not support to the new architecture. That is a reason that one is removed. If you have idea more than it, please comment at the comment. Then everyone can be get idea. So this is a very important file, build.gradle file. That is a important as same as Android app build.gradle file. This Android build.gradle file that has a MDK version, compile SDK version. Likewise, that all are updated in the new React Native version. Uh, like this, I will add one by one line. That's nice. JetBrains Gradle plugin. There are in the last line, newly added the apply Facebook like plugin, Facebook React root project. We will add the final line in the that import. I think it need to be at the here. Then Gradle properties file. If some interviewers will be asked what that file will happen in the project, Gradle.properties and build.gradle build app Android app build Gradle file. If you have some idea, it is a good. Gradle wrapper.jar file is updated. I am download that jar file and paste that, remove current file and paste the new file here. Then what is the new one is Gradle wrapper properties. Uh, that's modified the distribution URL. Uh, Network timeout and valid distribution is additionally added. Uh, that validate distribution URL is actually used for the security purpose. Uh, uh, what is the next file? Uh, Gradle gradlew.bat file. That I think all changes copy and paste here, then enough. Like this, I copy and paste settling dot Gradle file related changes. As I previously said, some required libraries can be removed. Then when you copy and paste, consider about that. Then babel.config.js, that also very important file. If someone know what's happened to that file when develop the project, please comment. Then iOS port file. Uh, uh, then I think I come to the last step of the updation part. Mm, what is this project dot app dot delegate dot h need to be remove all one, and we will. That is used for the iOS development. That two files need to be removed. What is the next one is app.delegate, that remove app.delegate h and app.delegate mm files. Instead of that file, we need to add the app.delegate.shift. Actually, when you develop the native Android app, you should need Kotlin. Native iOS app development, that is a shift is a prefer one. Objective before use Objective C's, but it is now it is not popular than shift. Shift is the good and easy. Then I am update the info.plist. Info.plist, that need to be updated. Final steps are privacy info.x privacy file need to be updated. Then main.m file need to be delete. If you do this, use the AI. That I am actually use the free AI agents, Copilot, limited token one, and Claude I am not use it for the my project. Uh, uh, Now we added to my final steps, and it we add the just.config.js file and paste the changes, then metro.config.js file. That line we need to add here like this. Then final thing is final two files we are going to update. Then problem will be solved. Now I'm going to first need to npm install. Then npm react need to run end all are okay. If all are okay, that will be that should be working fine. I think you get the idea how to develop the how to update the file React Native version older to new one. Uh, See you the next one.